Hello and welcome to this video where I discuss a problem that's holding me and my channel back, and maybe even you and your channel back. But first, who am I to say that? I'm an audiovisual editing student, meaning in the future my job will be building the stories of long and short films, series and other formats. And one ability that I should have, even though I could technically never use, is being able to write a story. It doesn't matter the genre. It can be telling a joke, it can be your friend falling on the street like the idiot that he is. All stories can be broken down into 3 parts. Introduction, where you meet the characters and the world. Second part, plot, or problem that our characters will face. And third part being the conclusion, where everything gets resolved and hopefully we all learn something! Woohoo! And the way you present your stories is a huge determinant in if it's going to be successful or not. If I'll be working with movies and such big, expensive pieces, YouTube must be a piece of cake for me and I must tell the best jokes in my friend circle, right? Well, actually no. Despite my theoretical knowledge about stories and writing, I actually suck at this. And telling the best jokes out of all my friends, that's a critical mistake. You're forgetting.
It's a prank, bitch!
If I analyze my videos, usually both my plots and presentations of a story is where things fall apart. My scripts are usually very unpolished and my thumbnails... These are things that I've known for a while. Not only the problem, but the solution too. So why haven't I done anything about it? It's up that time! I have a serious problem with overthinking and thinking in general. When I structure things so that everything falls into place and I respect the rules, I feel that becomes unnatural, so I avoid it on the next video. Maybe I just forget about it completely. I also get desperate for the results of the video I'm producing and the uncertainty of the future, just so I can make a little bit worse decisions. I could force myself into structuring things up and filling my screen with sticky notes that I can read while I produce and write, and that would eventually feel and be natural, which works for a lot of people. I can ask others about my script despite overthinking and entertaining the idea of my idea being stolen. But I think my best hope is trying to shape my current disadvantages in a way that I can make them work for me and not against me, so that I don't end up in a cycle, because I also forget to read my sticky notes. I have to stop thinking about the magic of other creators and recognize that what I feel unnatural is actually my magic. Magic that you, as an audience, have to experience, not me. I hope that this has helped you in a way or another if you're a content creator or even if you're not, because we live in stories. Take care. Meow meow.